Hello, in this video we will learn how we can add calendar or make calendar for 1 month or any month or for full year very quickly. So you can see here the calendar of January. I've already prepared heading for you. The January is starting. The first January was on Sunday. I have already seen from the calendar. Okay, so we will make, first of all, we will make calendar for January month only. Okay, select the cells. You can see almost rows, sorry. We can go up to 30 or 31 rows or even less, not 30, 31, because in 1 month we have only 5 to 6 weeks. Okay, so from Sunday to Saturday, it is 1 week, 7 days. Okay, sorry, again select this and now go to the, then right click, format cell, select date, and in the date choose this option. This is a short one. Press OK. Now press equal to, here select the cell, equal to sequence. This is the sequence command. Sequence uh, rows, how many rows are there? So in 1 month maximum we have 5 weeks, so we'll select 5 rows, comma, how many columns are there? Column means this vertical columns. So in 1 week there are 7 days, so 7 columns, comma, inverted comma, start, the start date. Note, it is first, it will come months. A month is 1, and 1st January 2023, inverted comma, close, and bracket close. So it is sequence F, then 5 means number of weeks, 7 means number 7 days per week, and this is the start date. You can see data is from 1st January till 31st January, and then on the 5th week we have 4 days of February as well. Okay, so you can format these cells according to your requirement. Let's say if you want to increase the width, so select all these cells like this. From here select the rows, sorry, hold the shift button and then adjust the width of any cell, and then leave automatically. It will be adjusted for all others, and we can just format them like this. And here is your 1 month calendar. If you want, you can remove the fab dates. It is not, because we have to show the 5 weeks. Okay, similarly, if you want to create the make the calendar for full year, then click on the cell 1. Here, instead of 5 weeks, put 52 weeks, because in 1 year normally there are 52 or 53 weeks. Let's say 53. Press enter. Now you can see, okay, here it is showing numbers because we have to select the uh, format. The format size is not, format type is not correct. Format cell, go to date and select this format. Press OK. Now you can see full year calendar till 31st December. It is ready very quickly, and now you can, according to your requirement, you can size these cells. You can change the size of each cell.